Want to keep your visitors and SEO rankings intact even after you've changed your URLs? Let me show you 3 simple ways to set up 301 redirects in WordPress. Hey everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, where we ensure your websites are fast, secure, and easy to manage. Today, I'll be walking you through how to set up 301 redirects in WordPress. We'll cover using a free plugin, editing your htaccess file, and even how to set them up using PHP. Let's dive in. A 301 redirect is a permanent redirect that tells search engines and visitors that the page they are trying to access has moved to a new URL. This is important for maintaining SEO rankings, preserving traffic, and ensuring users don't end up on a broken or outdated page. Anytime you move content to a new URL or restructure your site, setting up 301 redirects is a must. The easiest way to manage redirects in WordPress is by using a plugin. One of the best free plugins for this task is Redirection by John Godley. Here's how to set it up. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Plugins and then Add New. Search for Redirection and install the plugin by John Godley. Once activated, go to Tools, then Redirection. In the Redirection panel, enter the URL you want to redirect, the old URL, and the destination URL, the new one. Click Add Redirect, and that's it. You've just set up a 301 redirect with a few simple clicks. If you prefer a manual method, you can set up 301 redirects by editing your htaccess file. Here's how. Access your WordPress site via an FTP client or your hosting provider's file manager. Locate the htaccess file in the root directory of your WordPress installation. It's usually in public_HTML or something equivalent. Download a backup of the file before editing. Open the htaccess file in a text editor and add the following code. Replace the old and new URLs with your actual pages. Save the file and upload it back to your server. This method is especially useful if you need to handle multiple redirects efficiently. If you're comfortable working directly with your website's files, here's how you can set up 301 redirects using PHP. To start, you'll need to connect to your website's files either via an FTP client like FileZilla or through your host's file manager. Once connected, navigate to your WordPress installation folder, usually located in the public_HTML directory. Look for your theme folder by going to WP Content, then Themes, and clicking in your current theme name. Inside your theme folder, find the functions.php file. Download a backup of this file before making any changes just in case. Open the file in a text editor, scroll to the bottom and add the following code. Modify the old page and http yourwebsite.com page with the URLs you want to redirect from and to. Once you've made the changes, save the file and upload it back to the same directory, replacing the old functions.php file. This method provides more control, but be careful when editing core files to avoid any errors that could affect your site. Just like setting up redirects helps keep your website running smoothly, having reliable hosting ensures your site performs at its best, no matter how many changes you make. At Rapyd Cloud, our high-performance hosting guarantees that your redirects work seamlessly and your site stays fast, secure, and always online. Click the link in the description to learn more about Rapyd Cloud. And there you have it, 3 simple ways to set up 301 redirects in WordPress. Whether you prefer using a plugin, tweaking the htaccess file, or adding PHP code, you now have the tools to ensure your users and search engines can find your content. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.